officials are reporting a spike in whooping cough cases.
This as people are getting ready for holiday gatherings. Our Jason Sloss is live at Rady Children's Hospital with the advice from experts. Jason.
Well, yeah, it's been a few years since we've had a whooping cough spike in San Diego County, but the numbers are pretty clear. In fact, here at Rady Children's, a young patient is in the ICU. So health officials are reminding everybody to do what they can to protect themselves.
San Diego County is seeing a spike in whooping cough cases. 12 cases in September, jumping to 57 in October.
And it looks like we're on pace to possibly beat that in November. For Rady Children's in particular, we had 9 positive tests just here in the past week, and we do have 1 patient that required hospitalization.
Dr. Edmund Milder, an infectious disease specialist at Rady Children's, says pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is hard to detect at first because it starts out as a regular cold.
As the congestion is fading, the cough is just getting worse and worse and worse, and you're having these long bouts of cough where you feel like you can't catch your breath.
He says that can go on for months. The most at risk are children under 6 months, especially newborns who haven't had a pertussis vaccination. While children typically get the sickest, the elderly and those with chronic conditions are also at risk. Doctors recommend staying up to date on vaccinations.
Kids that show up at kindergarten will have had 5 doses of the vaccine if they stay on schedule. And then at 11 to 12, we get a booster. And then adults are all supposed to have a pertussis booster. And that's what's used usually now for your every 10-year tetanus booster, is the Tdap vaccine.
Health officials say a spike in pertussis comes around every 3 to 5 years. Precautions taken during the pandemic helped, and this is the first significant spike for San Diego County since then.
The weather brings us closer together, so we're seeing an increase in all the respiratory illnesses. Flu seems to just be arriving. We're definitely into our RSV season. So the same precautions, hand washing, staying home if you're feeling sick, will help us contain these infections and stop their spread.
And along with the vaccines, antibody treatments are available to help people get through it, help avoid spreading it. The last pertussis death reported in the county was an infant back in 2016. Live at Rady Children's, Jason Sloss, Fox 5 News.